Hello everyone, I am Dr. ASHA Rani, Senior Manager in Center for Human Resource Development, Parul University. It is an overwhelming for me that I am reviewing certain papers for Vedant Knowledge System organizing the International Conference on Viksit Bharat 2024. So they have asked me to review certain papers and I am very privileged to review their papers. So starting with the paper 1, that is a multifaceted transformation of higher education institute to comply the vision of Viksit Bharat by 2047. This paper is presented by Dr. A. Pathanjali Sastri and Dr. J. Lakshmi, Principal and Vice Principal together from Poti Shrimalu Chalwadi Mallikarjun Rao College of Engineering and Technology. So they are basically speaking about the narrative style of writing in which it compiles NEP incorporation, which will help not only for the students and the teachers but also for the campus as well. And they have focused on the inclusivity to realize the Viksit Bharat 2047. They also have added on certain strengthening industry institute collaboration, which is very good because nowadays we have that thing in mind that whatever we are instituting in our college, it should have a hands-on experience, and that will be helpful for the students to collaborate with the industry things. So they have named it as III Industry Institute Interaction. Then they have focused more on the enhancement of faculty development programs, which is really good. And then about for whom we are working, that is about students' progression. It also nurtures creativity, fostering innovations, which is again commendable. The paper is written in a very narrative style and very easy to understand. The references are picked up with the relevance of the topic. So overall the paper has been worthwhile in reading. Moving on to the paper 2, the title is Strengthening Education and Skill Development in India, Strategies, Challenges and Opportunities. This is by Kiran Ghai, and basically he has presented certain challenges that we face when we are working for the development of our students as well as for the teachers and the campus. And he has compared the present scenario, and there are certain measures that he has incorporated, like what we have to do, especially in quality assurance. What I feel is that the paper somewhat needs some alignment and a certain following of the APA guidelines as well. Next is paper 3. The title is Role of Higher Education in Environment Conservation and Sustainable Development, and this is actually a dossier of BSc Atmiya campus, and the paper is presented by Dr. Neha, Dr. Rahul and Dr. Rina P. And overall the paper has given a panoramic view of how the institute should work and how they are mainly focusing on the sustainable development goals, which are really nice. And they also given certain observation of their own campus, how they are doing it, how they are incorporating it, and they have shown certain glimpses, as well as they have made a tabular format in which they have given how they are incorporating all these things in their campus, that is the Atmiya campus. So the observation also explores like the contribution and the role of higher education in promoting sustainable development goals. So that paper is very nicely aligned with the guidelines of APA. References are properly given, and the entire panoramic view is given, which has been done very accurately. The last paper that I have reviewed is Inclusive Education Policies of India by Dr. Chirag, Madhak, and he belongs to JJ Kundalia Graduate Teachers Training College, Rajkot. Now in this paper, the main focus, I feel that when I read, it is all about RTE, Right to Education 2009 and NEP 2020. He also focused on certain parameters of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, then Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan, and he has also elaborated what are the parameters, the guidelines that has been given, and how they have been done today. Now what he has said is that in this paper, like how much the three things need to be focused is the resource support, networking and collaboration, and everything is done and everything is said, but most important thing is that we need to have a good monetary system and an evaluation system that will really enhance the capabilities of the things very nicely. So yes, these are the 4 papers. I really feel that this gives a introspection of how our state of governance can have a very good way of conducting the things properly in a very properly streamlined manner. So congratulations to Vedant Knowledge System Private Limited, that Viksit Bharat 2047, the international conference, may be it full of success, and may we all get the papers that we need in relation with all the parameters that align with Viksit Bharat 2024. That's it from my side. Thank you everyone, and enjoy the journey of the conference.